have a family day today, but first we're going to bring Mariano to his doctor. Okay, eto, lalabas na tayo sa ating, ano ba tawag doon? Community.
Do you feel, Daddy, this? Is it coming out?
Yeah. Ang bubundoy pulos na bupay.
I need a car wash.
Mga ano itong mga damo, brown na.
Oh, walang ulan ay.
Baka mamaya gabi ulan or bukas.
Kailangan dito ulan.
It'll rain tomorrow.
At tomorrow pa.
What's tomorrow? Thursday?
Yeah.
Wednesday.
Thursday. Ito ang Auto Quest. Mumurahin dito ang mga kotse.
Mommy, do you think we'll be...
Yan, nag-uumpisa ng change ng color ang mga leaves. Oh, yan oh. This way is going to the landing. Nice color, green trees. Start to change color.
Wait, if Dustin's gonna join us, she's not able to. She's not off till 4:30. How long are we gonna wait?
Pwede, hintayin na natin si Browsing anywhere.
Kasi sa mall, bigay na daw.
Browsing tayo sa... Saan ba yun? Aray ko.
If that's the case, I can park in the garage.
I can't.
Gusto mo ba guys?
Yeah.
Wala nang gas.
Because after the doctor, we're going to Target, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Tapos, yun.
And then when it's time, then we can go.
Yeah. Doon lang naman sa dito sa Korean barbecue.
Yeah.
Ito yung golf course.
Yeah.
Kamahal daw dyan
I've been
Sandaang mahigit.
there. Already been there.
Sandaan yung mahigit. Isang tao.
No.
Oh, kala ko isang.
It's for like your reservation.
This used to be the Boeing parking lot. This place, yun ang Regents. Akala ko yun hotel, yun nga pala. Ba ito nga pala yung Regents, yung ating mga health insurance. Meron pala sila dito. Oh. These are apartments. Very expensive here. Yeah, as I said, this is used to be a Boeing's car parking lot. Now it's like a mall. Yung mga flowers na yan, hanggang ngayon lang yan summer.
Her bag is open. Does she know
Naku, babaksak yung laman eh.
Lalaglag pa sa bawo.
Her bag is open.
Hindi niya yun alam. If she
Lalaglag pa
knows,
sa bawo.
it's not going to be like that. Going to park inside. This is a free parking.
Only for 2 hours.
Only for 2 hours. I wish there is a parking space not very far. No? Alis ba yun?
I don't think we'll fit.
Oh my gosh.
White turn.
Yeah.
Is that reserved?
Yeah, reserve.
No, the one next to it.
Look at this nice color. Starting to change color. Very nice.
You guys have the cool on? There's a lot of people.
So, yan, tapos na kami sa doktor ni Mario. Ay, sa landing. Ito na naman yung magandang puno. Ayan, oh. Naghihintay kami dito. Hinihintay namin si Grace. Ang gaganda ng mga bulaklak. Ayan, may bubuyog. Tayo na. Kain kami dito sa Korean barbecue. Hinihintay pa namin ang aming order. Nandito kami sa Korean barbecue. Hinihintay pa namin si Jasmine. Ito yung ating kakainin ngayon. Yung japse. Ano kain? Last minute here now. We're just done eating and now we're going home. Summer bloom. It's only during summer that we have these pretty flowers. Very nice. Oh, let's go. Uwi na kami, busog na.
See, it's so orange. When I was walking, the guy was like, he was like, what the heck is wrong with the sun? Like,
Yeah, maybe the smoke from the other wildfire from the other place. I don't know where. Ang ganda. Ang ganda dito sa atin. Yung mga trees. Oh.
See, and now it's blue.
Yeah. Blue na. Ayun, nandoon oh. Yun ang sinasabi mo. Yun. Kasi nga, it's going to rain. They're building a...
If it rains, the clouds are gray.
Yeah.
But if the clouds are orange, I think it's a fire.
Yeah. Uwi, ana. Ang ganda oh ng mga... Tsaka yung color ng mga ano, nag-fade na yung color. Ano na, mag-i-spring na.
Oh.
Fall. Yeah. Magpo-fall na. At least daddy, makikita pa natin na fall. Winter, spring, summer, or fall. Kanta yun ah.